Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's having a good week so far, but today was so busy. It's currently 5 and what a day. Time went by so fast. And I ordered some stuff for Lola 2 days ago from Chewy and it came already, so I'm gonna go downstairs to pick it up and then I'm gonna do a little haul. The stuff that I picked up were new and I guess we can do a taste test for him. He's not really picky when it comes to his treats, more so like which fruits he has, but we don't give him that many fruits anyways because they're high in sugar. Pretty small package. My friend who also has a bunny, she feeds her this. And then this one is one of his treats that he has. It's so cute. It's a lollipop carrot treat. And then the stick is made with applewood. And since Lola is a senior bunny, he's turning 9 this year, I got him joint support and this other lollipop. This one is just apple instead of carrot. And last but not least, we have this. Actually, no, this is not new. He had these before and he really liked them. But I usually get him the apple ones. You want a treat? Happy Saturday. I just got ready. I need to get dressed, but I am leaving the house or the apartment for the first time to get some fresh air. I haven't left in 5 days because it was snowstorming a few days ago and it's just gotten really cold, so I didn't go on my daily walks. But today we're gonna go to Soho and get more Nespresso pods since we're all out of those, and then we're also gonna get some ingredients to make Nian Gao, which is a Chinese jelly thing that you have for Chinese New Year, since that's next week and my parents used to always make it back at home, so I'm gonna try to recreate it on Wednesday. And then what else? We're just gonna walk around. It's really sunny today and enjoy our weekend. We're heading out. I'm so excited. I just have a turtleneck necklace, puffer from Zara, and then I have jeans and my boots. And then I have a crossbody bag. My outfit hopefully is not too cold, but I also have my hand warmer ready. Look how disgusting the snow turns after everyone walks on it or all the cars drive on it. We just got to Soho and this is where the cobblestone streets are as well. We're going to go get coffee at Nespresso. We just got some groceries. It was so busy on the other street because it's almost Chinese New Year, so assuming everyone is trying to get things before the actual day.
Yep.
Getting pho for lunch.
A small plate, right?
It's nice because they also have this here. We just got home from our adventure. It was so busy today, but it was such a nice walk. But right now I'm just going to take out all of the pods that I got. Nespresso is really cool because they always give free stuff if you buy a certain amount, and you can always ask them what kind of deals they have today, and even if they don't have any and you have an account with them, they can search your name up or your number up and then they usually still give you some stuff for free. So they have 5 new flavors this month, and these are the sample ones that they gave us. There's the red one and the silver one, and they gave us 2 of them. And then I also got more the scaling liquid, and this is for if your Nespresso is dirty. It usually only lights up to get cleaned every 2 months, and it comes with 2, and each time it lights up you have to use 1 packet. It also gave us this biscuit cookies. Today we bought 15 pods. We don't usually go to Nespresso often. The only reason we bought an espresso machine is because we started to work from home, and my boyfriend and I drink coffee every morning before we start work when we were in the office. It was way cheaper than paying $5 for a cup of coffee. So yeah, we bought 15, and then there was 5 new flavors like I mentioned, so we got one of each to try, and then we just got our usual ones. This one is so pretty, it has cherry blossoms on them. This one is my boyfriend and I's favorite. It's the red ones, and I think it's like 9 or 10 for intensity. I love it when it's all filled, and of course we mix it up so we can have options. And then our Nespresso machine is here. We have the original pot, and we also have the one with the milk frother. We just put everything away, but now let's give Lola his treats. This is actually his first time trying these treats from Oxbow, the digestive ones and the joint support. But Lola, he's not picky when it comes to his treats, but I feel like these ones are more so vitamins instead of treats. So if you have a bunny and you need some digestive or joint support cookies, just try them out. It's snowing. Surprisingly, it's not that cold, but it is snowing kind of a lot. I'm gonna go pick up camera equipment, and then I'm gonna go head over to H Mart because my sister and I are having hot pot tonight. So we went to H Mart today and we got a bunch of ingredients, but we are hot potting tonight for dinner since it's so cold, and we're about to prep. I'm so full, but I just got home from dinner and I fed Lola and showered. I'm just going to end the night here. I have to fold the laundry because I just left it in the dryer before I left today, but we're just gonna watch the Super Bowl and hang out for the rest of the night. But I hope everyone who made it to the end of this video has a wonderful week, and see you guys next week. And here's Lola saying goodnight as well. Bye.